Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, press the down button to scroll down, select the settings and press the start button to enter. Now scroll through the menu by pressing up or down buttons, find the option called System, select it, press the start button. Here scroll down, select time, press the start button. And here we have the time format option. Make sure it's selected, press the start button, and now we can choose between 12 hours and 24-hour format. Select the one you like, press the start button to confirm. Now it changed to 12 hours, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.